Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. Hey Bikers Club, today we're diving into the world of excitement with the 2024 Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono, bike that's not just breaking records but also turning heads. Before we explore the details, let's rev up the thrill. The Hypermotard goes mono for 2024, and Ducati has taken the supermoto game to the next level with its groundbreaking 659cc single-cylinder Superquadro Mono motor, producing a staggering 76.4 bhp. 63 nanometers in stock form, revving to 10,250 revolutions per minute. It's the most powerful in production. No wonder it claimed the title of the most beautiful bike at EICMA. The 2024 Hypermotard comes in two tempting trims, the RVE edition with a striking graffiti paint job and the Ducati Red standard model. It's not just about power, it's a visual masterpiece. Weighing in at 151 kilograms dry, with a tall 904 mm seat and a 12-liter tank, it's designed for those who seek the thrill of hooning around. The Hypermotard's Superquadro Mono motor is a powerhouse, offering a thrilling 76.4 bhp. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the supreme fun factor that Ducati injects into every ride. For those with an A2 license, it can be restricted to 47 bhp, ensuring riders of various levels can enjoy the excitement. Now let's talk about the price. The base model starts at £10,995, while the RVE with the eye-catching graffiti livery is priced at £11,895. Considering the incredible fun potential, it seems like a fair trade-off, but as always, it depends on the style of riding you enjoy. Pros include the most power ever from a production single-cylinder, a supreme fun factor, and the option to be restricted for a 2 licensed riders. Cons, well, it's Ducati pricing, but you get Ducati quality, and the tall seat might not suit everyone. In conclusion, the 2024 Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono is not just a bike. It's an adrenaline-fueled masterpiece. Whether you're drawn to its power, style, or the sheer joy it promises on the road, this Ducati delivers. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about the Hypermotard, and of course, subscribe for more thrilling motorcycle content. Ride safe, ride Ducati, and we'll catch you in the next one.